Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from 8th group and today we will discuss about bivariate analysis, looking at the relationship between two variables. Okay, next please. Oh, I'm sorry. Before we start, let me introduce myself. My name is Nurul Sahida and my partner.
My name is Alwafa Amrullah.
Okay. Next slide, please. Okay. Topic 1. The relationship between two continuous variables is Pearson's or correlations coefficients. Next, please. So, what is Pearson's or? Pearson's or is a correlations coefficient that we employ while working with two continuous variables. Next, please. And how can we calculate Pearson's or in SPSS? For the first one, enter analyze as it is customary, and the second, select correlate at the pop-down menu, and then choose bivariate. And from the list on the left, select the variables we want to associate and then click the arrow. Then select School Grades Maths and click the arrow once again. And the last, press the OK button and SPSS calculate persons are for us. Next slide, please. Okay. And then topic 2, Spearman's. Spearman's rule, rank order correlations coefficient. The relationship between two ordinal variables. Next slide, please. Okay, this is will be continue with my partner, Alwafa Amrullah. Saya persilahkan.
Okay, thank you to my partner Nurul Sahida. And here I will to discuss about my turn is Spearman rule. Spearman rule is a non-parametric that used to measure the strength of association between two variables where the value are one means a perfect positive correlation and the value R mean 1 means a perfect negative correlation. And how to calculate Spearman in SPSS? And first is quick data is entered with within subject fashion. Second is click analyze. Third, drag the cursor over the correlate drop-down menu. Fourth, click on Bivariate. Fifth, click on the first ordinal outcome variable to highlight it. Sixth, click on the arrow to move the variable into the variable box. Seven, click on the second ordinal outcome variable to highlight it. 8. Click on the arrow to move the variable box. 9. Click on the person box to deselect it. 10. Click on the Spearman box to select it. And 11. Click OK. Okay, next is conclusion. We examine how we can look at the correlation between two continuous or ordinal variables. In both cases, we can use correlation coefficient that look at whether or not high score. In the case of continuous variables or high rankings, in the case of ordinal variables, on variable x go together with high score or ranking on variable y. Correlation coefficients vary between mean 1 and plus 1. Mean 1 indicates a perfect negative relationship. If plus 1, a perfect positive relationship, and 0, no relationship. Uh, Correlation coefficients are highly useful. We do need to take a number of restrictions into account. Correlation coefficient can be affected by outliner and recited range, and correlation does not necessarily imply causation. And figure 8.9 summarize what we can see about the bivariate relationship in the last two chapters. Okay, thank you for the attention. Maybe enough from our question. Thank you so much for your attention. We close by Alhamdulillah. Alhamdulillah. And see you. We said wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
See you.